kod riwruoge mag saga machiwo hola dwaro mondo duok piny nyinyo ma ijuogo jogo makawo hola e nyiewo udi kaka yo mar miyo jopiny mijing'o ma nyiewo udi ma nengogi oyweyo. Ma biro bang' yangore ni kwan mag jokenya maromo 30,000 osechwalo kwayo mar kawo hola mag nyiewo udi e ndalo mokalo. Jaratije mar bad migawo matayo hola mag nyiewo udi Johnston Olteitia olero ni bengi kod riwruoge saga machiwo hola mag udi dwaro duoko piny nyinyo ma ijuogo hola makamago nyaka 10%. Oletia omedo wacho ni nyaka ne chuog bad migawo makamano higni 5 mokalo, jokenya maromo 6,200 osenyiewo udi maggi kokalo e hola ma ichulo kuom thuolo mar higni 25.
The demand side of housing, that is providing what we call end user finance, the ability for people to buy homes, which we do in KMRC, particularly that on the demand side, cheaper or affordable long-term funding that is actually fixed. Number 2, we are dealing with scaling construction or development of housing.
Our partnership with government institutions has seen us also take a lead in terms of offering loans to Kenyans under the rent-to-own model, where we are offering loans as low as 3% for people who want to purchase houses through the tenant purchase scheme.
We are at this junction where now you have supply, and now we have an instrument that is available to help people access that supply. Before, in many African markets, you would have supply, but you won't have a way for people to access the supply. This is the World Bank report that P.S. Inga was talking about in his presentation, to say that it's unaffordable and unavailable. But in this case, we make it affordable and available. You see, so that's very transformational for Kenya.